Hi guys, happy Monday. So I'm home from work now and hanging out with Nora for a few minutes before I leave to go meet up with Zach and one of our friends for a little bit of Don Pablo's. So I am super excited. I can get queso and chips. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. And it has been just another Tuesday, really. So anyways, I am just about getting ready. I have kind of like an annoying headache though that's like been super dull all day but now has developed to be like right behind my eye. It's like one of those ones where it's just constantly annoying. So I'm going to take some ibuprofen quick and then head out to meet everyone because Don Pablo's fills up really fast. So I'm going to try and get there a little bit early and get us a table.
Hey everyone, so Man and I just got home from dinner with our friends, and Nora and I played a little catch in the backyard, and what a lazy dog. That's what she loves to do. You're so messy. Don't joke, weirdo. But anyways, we got back from dinner, and now we're just gonna relax. Probably watch New Girl. And then
I need to do Lucy's workout.
work it out.